Well, this is Thursday, and I'm glad that we have this opportunity to be together again as we have all week. And I trust that you'll stay with me today and you'll be with me tomorrow for the conclusion of our study this week on how to live the Christian life for an entire week or a whole week. Now, we're talking about a scripture found in Matthew chapter 8, verses 1 through 4. And in this passage of scripture, we find the important things that we can do in order that we can live a Christian life all week long. Today we want to go back to verse 4, and it says, "And Jesus saith unto him, See thou tell no man, but go thy way, show thyself to the priest, and offer the gift that Moses commanded for a testimony unto them." Today on this Thursday, I want to bring out this point to you. Jesus said to him, he says, "Show thyself to the priest." What is he saying to us today? If we're going to live this Christian life, here's something that's so important. In order that we can be successful on a weekly basis from Sunday to Sunday, what do we need to do? It says here that we need to be confirmed by our man of God, our woman of God, our clergy. We need to be confirmed. You say, well, what do you mean by that, Bishop? How can I be confirmed? Well, I'll tell you how it is. You need to make an appointment with your pastor, your bishop, whomever's in charge. You need to make an appointment. You need to let them know who you are. You need to let them know your goals, your gifts, your talents. You say, why is that so important? There's a scripture that I found over there in the book of Ephesians, and if I want to turn to it real fast, and I want to read it for you. It's in Ephesians chapter 2, verse 19. "Now therefore ye are no more strangers and foreigners, but fellow citizens with the saints of the household of God, and are built upon the foundation of the apostles and prophets, Jesus Christ himself being the chief cornerstone, in whom all the building fitly framed together groweth unto an holy temple unto the Lord, in whom ye also are builded together for an habitation of God through the Spirit." What does he say? Jesus says, be confirmed by your clergy. Be confirmed. Make an appointment. Talk to your pastor. Talk to your bishop. Talk to those who are in leadership in your church. Let them know who you are. Let them know all about you, because, you see, God uses them to give you the right advice, the right instruction, so that you can be what God truly wants you to be. Well, God bless you. It's been fun today, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.